Welcome guys, my name is Coach Ali and today we're working on our core. We're hitting Russian twist. Let's get started. This is good for strength, control, and balance. We're going to start this movement by sitting down on the floor, knees bent, and feet flat. Eventually, we'll do something more challenging by raising our feet. But for now, this is what we're doing. So, booty on the floor, knees bent, feet flat, and then we're going to lean back a little bit to engage our core. Because we're starting with body weight, we're also not going to worry about getting any weights. We're going to focus on perfecting this bad boy, and then we'll move on to something more challenging. It's important that we keep our core tight this entire time. When we do this movement, we're going to twist from one side to the other and then back repeatedly. We're going to do this without just thinking about twisting our arms. We're turning and rotating our entire upper torso. Strong core, strong body, strong mind. Keep twisting fearlessly. See you guys soon.